Welcome back, my lovely people. I always appreciate you people for the far you have taken me before I start any video, because it's all because of you that I'm making these videos. Otherwise, if it were not for your support, I could have quitted long ago. I could have stopped this long ago. But because you are giving me morale with your support, that's why I'm getting more energy to push each and every day in bringing you educational bangers tirelessly. So let's continue subscribing, liking and sharing these videos so that they may be recommended everywhere in the world and these channels grows bigger and bigger. For those who have not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button and put the notification bell on so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will automatically notify you and you'll never ever miss any of my videos. Let's get back to our natural methods of relieving pain. So the fourth one is what we call acupuncture. We came across it previously when we were talking about the muscle strain, and now we are talking about it as a natural method of relieving pain. This means no use of too much chemicals. Acupuncture is a Chinese medical practice that seeks to relieve pain by balancing body natural energy pathways. Acupuncture is a Chinese medical practice, that means it originates from China, that seeks to relieve pain by balancing body's natural energy pathways. Acupuncturists insert tiny thin needles into your skin, and the location of the insertion is related to the source of the pain. Acupuncturist, or the one who is performing this procedure, inserts tiny thin needle into your skin, and the location of the insertion is related to the source of the pain. Acupuncture may relieve pain by causing the body to release serotonin, a good brain chemical that eases pain and reduces stress levels and promotes healing in the body. Acupuncture may relieve pain by causing the body to release serotonin, which is a feel-good brain chemical that eases pain and reduces stress levels and promotes healing in the body. A question we can ask ourselves: what is acupuncture used to treat? Or what does acupuncture treat? Acupuncture may help provide relief from pain, all types of pain, including acupuncture may help provide relief from all types of pain, including number 1, knee osteoarthritis, number 2, migraine, number 3, myofascial pain, number 4, acute chronic lower back, number 5, fibromyalgia, and number 6, neck pain. Acupuncture may provide relief from all types of pain, including number 1, knee osteoarthritis, number 2, migraine, number 3, myofascial pain, number 4, acute and chronic lower back pain, number 5, fibromyalgia, number 6, neck pain. Another question we should ask ourselves: if acupuncture has some advantages, obviously it must have its disadvantages or side effects. So what are the possible side effects of acupuncture? Number 1, organ, tissue or nerve injury. Organ or tissue nerve injury, because it involves puncturing the skin. So you may end up puncturing a nerve and causing injury to the nerve. Number 2, infections. The tiny holes created by the needle can be a pathway for infections to your body. Number 3, allergic reactions. Maybe some people are allergic to needle pricks. Number 4, increased bleeding. Number 5, loss of consciousness. Possible side effects, let me repeat again. It can lead to organ, tissue or nerve injury. Number 2, it can lead to infections. Number 3, it can lead to allergic reactions. Number 4, it can lead to increased bleeding. And number 5, it can lead to loss of consciousness. A point to note: to make sure it's safe for you, talk to your doctor before trying acupuncture if you have the following. To make sure, this is a very important point to note, to make sure it's safe for you, or to make sure that acupuncture is safe for you, make sure you talk to your doctor before trying acupuncture if you have, number 1, a pacemaker. That this is a gadget that helps the heart to pump blood. So if you have a pacemaker, you should consult your doctor before trying acupuncture. Number 2, if you are pregnant, and that is obvious. Number 3, if you have bleeding disorders, because if you puncture, it might lead to more bleeding. Number 4, if you are using blood thinners like warfarin, or these are chemicals that make the blood so thin for it to be able to go through the veins. Let's talk about the next natural method of pain relief, and that is eat and ice. Eat and ice. These are among the most common pain remedies directly to sites of pain. These are among the most commonly pain remedies used directly to the site of pain. While this treatment seems obvious, while eat and ice treatment seems obvious, no one is clear on exactly when to use ice versus eat. This is very clear. While this treatment seems so obvious, no one is clear on exactly when to use ice versus eat. Apply ice pack to reduce swelling and inflammation shortly after you experience a strained muscle, tendon, or ligament may bring relief. Apply ice pack to reduce swelling and inflammation shortly after you experience a strained muscle, tendon, or ligament, because this might bring relief. Once inflammation has decreased, it may reduce the stiffness that comes with the strains and strains. Yes. Once inflammation has decreased, it may help reduce the stiffness that comes with the strains and strains. Eating pad or cold pad on head may reduce pain over headache, while ice pack can relieve low back pain. Eating pad or cold pack on head may reduce pain of a headache, while an ice pack can relieve low back pain. Most heat applied in arthritis on affected joint will help more than ice. Most heat applied in arthritis on affected joint will help more than ice. Most heat pads can be warmed in a microwave, making them easy and effective to use. Most heat pads can be warmed in a microwave, making them easy and effective to use. This marks the end of our second video today. And in our next video tomorrow, we'll continue looking at it and ice as a way of relieving pain naturally without necessarily having to go to the chemist and buy painkillers. So my people, let's continue subscribing, liking and sharing our videos and make this channel a success. Have a wonderful evening.